Pressing on the upward way, new heights I'm gaining every day. Still praying as I onward bound. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Lord, lift me up and I shall stand by faith on heaven's stable land. A higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. My heart has no desire to stay where doubts arise and fears dismay. Though some may dwell where those abound, my prayer, my aim is higher ground. Lord, lift me up and I shall stand by faith on heaven's stable land. A higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. I want to live above the world, though Satan's darts at me are hurled. For faith has called the joyful sound, the song of saints on higher ground. Lord, lift me up and I shall stand by faith on heaven's stable land. A higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. I want to scale the utmost height and catch a gleam of glory bright. But still I'll pray till heaven I found. Lord, lead me on to higher ground. Lord, lift me up and I shall stand by faith on heaven's stable land. A higher plane than I have found. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. Sons and Daughters of God, July 21st. Men of courage needed. We need more men like Moses. And when the people saw that Moses delayed to come down out of the mount, the people gathered themselves together with Aaron, and said unto him, Up, make us gods, which shall go before us. For as for this Moses, the man that brought us up out of the land of Egypt, we wot not what is come of him. Exodus 32:1. In the absence of Moses, the judicial authority had been delegated to Aaron, and a vast crowd gathered about his tent with a demand, Make us gods, which shall go before us. Such a crisis demanded a man of firmness, decision, and unflinching courage, one who held the honor of God above favor, personal safety, or life itself. Aaron feebly remonstrated with the people, but his wavering and timidly at the critical moment only referred them to more determined. The tumult increased. Aaron feared for his own safety, and instead of nobly standing up for the honor of God, he yielded to the demands of the multitude. His first act was to direct that the golden earrings be collected from all the people and brought to him, hoping that pride would lead them to refuse such a sacrifice. But they willingly yielded up their ordinance, and from these he made a molten calf, an imitation of the gods of Egypt. We repeat the sin of Aaron, pacifying when the eyesight should be clear to discern evil and state it plainly, even if it places us in an unpleasant position, because our motives may be misapprehended. We must not suffer wrong upon a brother or any soul with whom we are connected. This neglect to stand up firmly from truth was a sin of Aaron. Had he spoken the truth plainly, that golden calf would never have been made. There are still pliant Aarons who will yield to the desires of the unconsecrated and thus encourage them in sin. Those who are honored with a divine commission are not to be weak or to shun disagreeable duties, but to perform God's work with unwavering fidelity. God be with you until we meet again.